Hi everyone, it's Alex Brunner with RHG Products in Tucker. I'm often asked by people who are first time getting into water fed, what's the proper way of using the brush to get a good proper scrub and rinse, especially when using the rinse bar. So I thought I'd take a moment to just demonstrate on the windows here at my own home how to effectively use the brush with rinse bar for proper scrubbing and rinsing. So what I'm going to demonstrate is how to basically use the basics with window cleaning with water-fed brush. As you get more and more used to it, you might find ways that are quicker, but this is really effective, especially when you're first starting using water-fed pole in cleaning windows. Is that I'm going to scrub all the frames first, starting at the top, and make sure these are really clean. This is especially important when you are dealing with window frames that are heavily oxidized. Here in Colorado, this is typically the case with most homes that are in the sun constantly. They are they're quite oxidized. Now, these are newer windows, so there really isn't any oxidation, but if we were to do that on the old shutter, you can see that that's how oxidized the rest of the vinyl on this home is. Like I said, these are newer windows, so they're not quite affected by that. But if you were to go to a home that has older windows, you'll definitely see oxidation. So this is going to help out in that case as well. So let's get this started. So in this instance, I am going to be using, like I mentioned before, the rinse bar. So we have plenty of flow, no issues there. On windows like these, I always like to start from the center glass because if you do this the sides and then you come over, if you do this and you probably get some overspray. So let's get started here. I'm giving a good rinse up top. And I'm going to let that dry a bit before I go the rest of the windows. Here, I'll do the tops on the sides real quick. A benefit with using water-fed pole is that, when you're using traditional tools, you always want to avoid the sun with cracks. The beauty with water-fed is that I always actually like using it in the sun because you can see what's going on right away if you have a good scrub or a good rinse. This glass. One important thing to factor in is the water-fed is make sure you have the right angle. So you can make sure you're having all the bristles splaying out into the glass, because if you have it like this, you're not getting a good scrub. So you always want to make sure you have good bristle contact with the glass. And you'll notice that as I'm scrubbing the rest of the glass, I'm not going all the way back to the top. That way I'm not re-wetting that frame up there. thing to do too is when you have tracks like these, just give it a good scrub and rinse. Trying to see if you can see my angle here. This weep hole has a whole bunch of dirt coming out. I usually like to just keep rinsing until I don't see any more debris come out of it. I'll give it a really good scrub. Now I'll go back to rinse it. As if I'm squeezing the window. So I'll go up here. Now notice that I'm not going all the way to the top. I've already needed a special scrub. And you notice that this glass isn't totally hydrophilic. It's got kind of a mixture of both. That's the other beauty of the rinse bar, is that it just will give a better rinse as opposed to using the jets. But there's my son Ocean inspecting the work, seeing if he gets his seal of approval. Good job? Good job. Thanks, buddy. Alright guys, some bonus footage just on the inside now, giving you a shot of the final results. So obviously it's still drying, but I can already tell that it's going to dry spot free. There we go. Have a great day.